What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a sound on a great day. Today we're going to be installing a mirror tap to the back of the mirror on the 2021 Ford Bronco. And what this is basically going to do is this is basically going to give us power to our radar detectors and our dash cameras without running any kind of wires across the dash, underneath the dash, on top of the dash, across the mirror, whatever. This is going to power it up right off the mirror, and that way we don't have to run any kind of crazy wires anywhere else, and makes it a nice clean install. And I'll show you guys how to do this really easy mod. Alright guys, so I picked this kit off Amazon. Really easy, really convenient to get. If you're interested in picking this up for yourself, I will link it out down below. But like I said, it all varies, depends on the item that you're trying to power up. Like my radar detector uses this style of power adapter here, and my dash camera uses this style of connector. So depending on what you're trying to power up and what it uses, that's what you want to order. If you are interested in a dash camera or a radar detector, I definitely suggest picking up a Uniden R3 or R4. This thing is amazing, guys. I just came back from a 2,800 mile road trip, and I can guarantee you this thing saved me a whole bunch of times on the road. Anyways, go ahead and get started. Basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna get in the bag, you're gonna get 3 of these connectors. I already got one installed in the vehicle. I'm show you guys how this works. These are all different because the ends that you plug into the mirrors are different sizes. So you have a thick, medium, and then a thin one. You want to use the thin one on the Broncos because the wires are a lot thinner, and you don't want to push a thick connector into the back of those pins, or you'll push it out. So you'll notice here in a little bit, I'll show you, I'll compare it to the ones I have on there now. I do want to mention my Bronco does not have the deluxe package. It's basically just the auto dimming mirror. The connectors on the back of all the Broncos should be the same. Alright, we are in the back of the mirror now, and this is the other connector that I was telling you about. See how thin these are? These are a lot thinner. This is definitely the ones you want to use on your Ford Bronco. So we're going to go back to the back of the mirror here and disconnect the connector. And on the back of the connector here, you're going to want to use 2. Okay, so the red is going to be the power, obviously, and you want to just slide this pin into the back of the white wire. That's going to be our positive. That's going to be our power, and the black one is going to slide into the black and blue wire you see right here. So all you basically do, what it's called a mirror tap, because you're tapping into the back of the connector to get our power from this connector here. So all we're going to do is simply just grab our connector and slide it into the back of the wire. Make sure it gets nice and good contact, and then we'll slide the black one into the back of the black and blue wire, just like that. Nice and simple. And we can go ahead and plug this back into the mirror, and that's basically it. That's all you have to do. It's really simple, guys. I do have this little like swivel mount for my radar detector, so it tucks it nice and close to the mirror. Basically just wraps around the bracket of the actual mirror, and you can just turn these knobs here, and you can move it up and down, forward, back, wherever you want. And all you got to do is grab your radar detector, and we just simply just slide it on, and we come on to the other side, and we can just plug our power in like so. Got our power plugged in, and now we can go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Every time we turn the vehicle on, it'll turn on your radar detector, and then when you turn the vehicle off, it'll turn your radar detector off. So yeah, it's really easy. Like I said, it also works for dash cameras as well, the power and the ground. It works great. Alright, so if you have any questions about today's video, please put them down in the comments down below, and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. If you're interested in any of the products that you saw in today's video, I will link them out down below. That being said, guys, we'll see you guys on the next one.